If you need to know how you can import and export presets in HandBrake, this is the video you don't want to miss. When you want to see list of presets you currently have in HandBrake, look at the top and click on Presets. You will see a list. These are the default presets that comes with HandBrake during installation. Alongside these presets, you can also add your own custom preset. To import a preset, right-click inside Presets panel, then select Import from File option. Browse to your preset file, select it, and click Open. That preset will automatically be saved under Custom Presets category, and it's ready to be used whenever you are exporting your 2K video. You can also export presets, which is great when you want to back them up somewhere safe. Let's create a custom preset so we have something to work with. Click on Presets once more, then click on Add Preset button. Give your preset any name you like. Set dimensions for your video output. For this example, let's set this to 4K video dimensions, then click Add. You will see that preset will now be saved under Custom Presets category. When you're ready to export any preset, right-click on Preset and choose Export to File. Choose where you want to store the preset and click Save. Your preset will be stored exactly where you need it. So, this is how you can import and export your presets in HandBrake.